Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. Look, we have necklaces that tell you so.
Uh-huh.
Kristen, Evangeline. And today it is mid-August, but we are filming a fall makeup look. We're getting ahead of the game because we're pretty excited for the fall vibes and makeups.
And we still had a makeup no buy. So
for
we're
the
gonna
most part.
Yeah.
Low buy over the summer.
I'll tell you what I bought in a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a full face of melt.
Yes.
Because melt is to me and you the most, I think, fall witchy
100%.
type of makeup brand. And yeah, you cannot not be inspired for fall.
Yeah, so exciting. So we have a few palettes in front of us. I'm going to be using 3. I'm just going to delve into a bunch because they all have fall tones that go together. So Melt, Gemini, Classic, Smoke Sessions. I think I'm going to use the glitters in this. And then 420, which I got at a Sephora sale. And again, look, so fall. And then you have many
guys, you know they
things.
brought this back, the Murtra palette. This is from, I don't know if it was pre-COVID, but it was their holiday palette with the skull, you know? Mm-hmm. The other skull was there too. So this one they brought back, and I think it's very end of summer. Fall.
Those are vibrant.
Vibrant. And I love these. I got these all, guys. I Pokemon these. I got the air. I got them all. Air. Earth.
Oh, that one's fall. Wow, that one was my favorite when I was thinking about getting one. Water, which is, they all have some tones
Fire.
that are this deeper, a little grungier. Melt is, and then this was from the other big release, Amor e Mariposa.
Well, that's this time of year when the monarchs, where we live, the monarchs are out, and they fly to Mexico in September.
Yeah, maybe I'll see them flying along the road.
Sorry, we have a snorting dog here.
Oh my god, yeah, if you hear like this,
It's
a visitor dog who is...
He looks like a cow.
He won't settle. We also have many blushes. I didn't even know you had one of these, so I'm borrowing this. Blush light in Fire Fury. And then they have the cream blush light. Then you have this from the Amor y Mariposa release. Look how vibrant that is. Wow. Sex Foil highlighter. I don't remember if I've ever used this, but I'll be trying it. And a million lipsticks.
Yeah, we'll decide that one later.
Liners.
We have some liners. I have the Spliff one. This liner is classic. Mine dried out, but one of you guys actually told me to get this Inglot, and I just got it off Amazon. It's an Inglot thing. I don't know. It activates it, and it's already better. It's activated.
Activating dried formula.
So it does dry out. These are cream, and they do dry out, but this. Or I think there must be other things, probably setting spray, that you can reactivate them with. I've done it before. Somebody else is making noises.
Look at Pablo. He's just going. Okay, guys. It's okay.
Okay, guys, just relax.
You have dogs.
Oh, my
Okay. All right. I can't wait to put blush on my face. I feel like a zombie. I need it now. So I'm going in with this one. Ooh, I'm excited. You said it's really pigmented.
Yeah.
So I did learn this hack, and I've mentioned it before. When you have a really pigmented blush, like powder in particular, go into it with your brush. We go into it on your palm and then go in on your face, so it doesn't end up doing that patchy thing, and then build it up from there. So that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm just going in. I need this blush.
I'm going to go to Mariposa and go in with... They don't really... These ones, they're interesting because they don't look like what you think they're going to look like.
Like they don't look like the... Those 3 look the same in the pan. Like there's more nude ones.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just go in there.
Okay, Melt is I haven't used it too much this summer. but fall and winter I use Melt a lot. Summer has been Natasha Denona and Lisa Eldridge summer.
Oh, nice.
Melt and Vive. Vive too is a brand that has sort of like a lot of these tones.
This has a nice little glow on it. I don't know if I'm going to go with sex foil, but I am. This is like crazy, like this giant thing. It's going to last you your life.
Yeah, you got to use it on like your shoulders and
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
for like
Shoulders.
I could have used this for this bridal look I did
damn,
recently.
I should have given it to you.
Guys, speaking of pink highlighter, guess what highlighter we got to preview? That was on Sunday, a few days ago. We met Queen Katie Jane Hughes in real life here in Toronto because she's developing her brand, her first product release here in Toronto, and she had a meetup. And we met her and we previewed her highlighter, the pink one, and she put it on me. Anyway, she was so nice.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah. We'll talk about it later when we get the product.
Yeah, we're going to feature it. This is not as pink as I thought. It's really more like a gold.
Yeah, it's gold.
Pink gold, but I like how it comes out so much. You'd never use this whole pump.
I just did something wrong, but I added the very, very bright this and didn't do your technique.
Uh-oh. I can see, yeah, you got the patches. The technique works.
So see?
And like, I don't know, many powder blushes kind of you have to do this. Well, at least the darker tones if you're like very fair. I like this.
If I had the brush that I put my foundation on with, I would just pat it over. But it's on the other one.
Let's see.
You can't see it.
Yeah, okay.
I'll fix this later, guys. Just. Okay, I'm gonna go in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this spliff. Just do some base, like a little tiny corner base, and then I'm gonna go in with. I'm gonna do the Myrtle palette, and then I might go in with one of the other ones. There's a color in here I love, and it is this very, very dark burgundy color called Velorio.
Burgundy. That is very autumnal.
Yeah.
I'm going in first with very neutral Luna from the Gemini palette as the transition shade.
Yeah, just to over like like lining my eyes almost in the cat eye shape.
That seems to be a technique you've been doing recently.
Yeah.
You go in with like the sort of darker shade first.
Yeah, I do. As a base.
I never do that.
I just started when we went out to dinner that day. We went to my sister's birthday party, and the family was there, and we were like, it was a nice dinner. We had 100 layers of lasagna, the whole lot of us, and we were like, oh, how are we gonna pay for this? And my sister paid for it. She paid for her
birthday.
Own dinner. Isn't that cute?
As a thank you for us.
That was the cutest thing ever.
Yeah.
That was like the highlight of the summer.
Katie Jane Hughes.
Katie Jane Hughes, the highlight, and that for me. You're going on a
Yeah, hopefully it's the highlight of the summer. Let's hope. I'm putting it under my eyes as well. I've been in a habit of makeup with like doing the same shape on my eye. And I do really like it, but I feel like I need to challenge myself with some new techniques this fall. I always kind of go in with the transition shade and I don't bring it in all the way, and I have all these things I do.
Yeah, you don't want to get in a makeup rut because then people are going to know your age.
Oh, yeah, true.
It's a true story. Okay, now I'm going to go into my Myrtle palette, and I'm going into Veloria, and I'm going to assume this will almost set it, what I just laid down. That's the thing what I love about Melt. It's just like super pigmented, like it stays on all day.
I'm going into the 420 palette. Dank. It's like a mossy, grungy green. How many times can I use the word grungy when talking about melt?
You were born in the grunge era.
Oh, the 90s?
You were born, yeah, you were born in 1993, and Kurt Cobain died in 1994.
Oh.
Did you know that?
No.
I know where I was.
Where?
With you.
Oh.
You were a tiny baby.
What were we doing?
In my care. You were like 4 months old.
In your care.
Yeah. And it was the saddest day.
Then when I was fairly young, Princess Diana died.
Yeah, but you had no part in that.
I had no part in it, but I had a part in Kurt Cobain.
Well, I mean, it felt more real. I mean, Princess Diana was very surreal.
So I'm just deepening with this. Grunging it up. One thing Melt hasn't had that I've noticed in a palette is like something I bring often as a companion to many palettes is like a very pale shade to like, goes inner corner.
Me too.
I don't see that very often in a Melt.
No.
I will say that. They should almost add one shade in every palette to just be this
I believe that in every palette should have a black and a light and like almost white.
Like a very blackened shade that goes with it. Because that black's very interesting. It looks like almost
not even
a little
black.
Purpley.
It's not even black, it's purple.
Okay.
So I'm going into the Fire palette and I'm just using like Drama Queen. I don't think there's much drama here. But it's like just a caramel shade.
I'm going darker with Roll It.
This is gorgeous. Arrogant. I've used this before.
Oh, right. They're named after of course, the zodiac signs are known for. Oh, and you're in fire, so that's me. Drama queen. Okay.
You know what bugs me?
What?
You know how you get targeted ads, like on Instagram? Mm-hmm. For some reason, they think I'm an Aquarius. Because they get all the time crap.
I wonder why. That is funny.
I'm not. I'm a Taurus.
It's like you are losing out on some things here.
So this is very fiery and beautiful. And I think it goes well with that burgundy base I put down. I'm going to do a little bit under my eye with Revenge.
We're going to go in with Granddaddy from Smoke Sessions. Who is at my ankles? Oh my lord. Pablo.
Here's a nice white shade for you, though, for an inner corner.
I only do matte inner corners. So.
Oh, yeah, I like matte inner corners. Me too.
I don't know. I just, whenever I do a highlight, I regret.
That's why I love that Makeup by Mario.
Yeah.
It's the best base eyeshadow palette I know of, in my opinion. It's
I've
all
been using
matte.
the Hindash for that.
Yeah, you like that one.
All matte.
I'm not going to do an inner corner highlight, clearly. Yeah, it's true what you said. There's just no matte. Here's something kind of boring called Secretive in Water. I'm going to try that.
I'm going to take a black and go just even a little darker here.
Wait, what's this? Is that white?
No, it's not.
I know it's not white, but is it?
No, it's not even that light.
But is it matte?
Yes. I will use this little Makeup Forever thing I have for inner corner.
Oh, good for you.
I brought it knowing what I like.
Oh, I might try
It's
this.
totally panned because I've used it so often for this
That's
reason.
so cute.
Is it?
Yeah, you panned something.
With these kinds of grungy looks, I find it's just really a back and forth of blending, personally. Fall is a funny time. It's, of course, my favorite season, but then there is this sort of impending anxiety at the end of it when you think about winter coming. Like, and I have to push that away.
I like Christmas so much. So
you think,
yeah, I'm okay with it.
But
then January comes and nope.
Yeah, then we
I
have
don't like
4 more
February,
months.
March.
It's the worst months of the year. Snowbirds are the smartest and luckiest people ever.
People
Go
who
to
are
Florida.
tired.
Okay, mascara. For lips, I'm going to borrow one of yours. This is the shade Tease, and it's their Ultra Matte Lipstick Formula. I only have like 2 of the mini ones, and I forgot the one that I wanted, so let's try this out.
I'm going to start with a lip liner. And if I'm going to say, you know, us and Endless Cacao, this lip liner is pretty good. Except it's not the wooden kind. What's the color of this?
Why do they do this foxy?
Okay,
Like
some of their lip
instead of-
liners are wooden.
Oh, okay, good.
Which I like.
Yeah.
And I think some of their liners this is, I don't know, maybe an anomaly. But this is a good color.
I just don't get why companies chose to go to plastic instead of wood. Can someone explain
Some people don't like the wooden formula.
why?
I don't know.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
So I don't have a melt liner, so I'll just use this one random one. Saint Looks, got from like a Etsy. I always say that Ipsy or some shit.
Sin City. Sin City. This is the most craziest color. You don't know what it is. It's like you mixed all your colors in your crayon box and this came out.
Huh?
Talk about grungy.
Yeah, that's the ultimate grungy lip.
No, the other would be green.
Oh, no.
This has a greeny tinge to it, I think.
I don't. Well, who would wear a green lip on the?
I would.
On the regular. Out.
Imagine that's your mom. Your mom, and you know, because your mom always has a signature lip color, and your mom's lip color is green.
That would be pretty funny.
That's the ultimate of embarrassment.
Yeah. And she shows up.
Because my mom's lip color was Love That Pink. Remember,
Yeah.
Mom?
Yeah. Your look reminds me of the look I did the first time we put a video out, which was using 2 of the Melt palettes. And mine, I had the Melt 27, which was my first Melt palette. And yeah, I did a look like that. It was fiery and then brown. Oh wait, no, I think I did more of a red lip. But anyway, check that out if you haven't already.
Our very first video was
That
Melt.
we put out, yeah. Yeah, and here we are.
Here we are.
How many years later? 3 or something crazy? 2, 3, 3?
We've been on this, we've been on here for 3 years. Going strong,
Yeah,
or whatever.
trying to go strong.
We love it.
Yeah,
We do it for the love.
yeah.
We do.
Do it for
Because we're
the
not doing it for
passion.
the money.
Maybe one day. Maybe tomorrow. You never know.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go viral.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, these are the finished looks. I think it's pretty grungy, pretty fall. I just wish it was cold enough for me to put a black turtleneck on with this kind of look.
No, me too.
You know, we're ready for that. But it's really hot in here. It's still August, so who are we fooling ourselves? But fall's coming. Let us know what you're looking forward to about fall makeup. What are your go-to
didn't tell you what I
shades? What? Oh, what did you buy? Why is your hand out?
I don't know. Should I just tell you what I bought now?
Yeah, tell.
Okay, so a targeted ad. Okay, it was the nails that got me. Cleona has a kit, like Under the Ocean nails. I got nail polish, but I got the palette.
To match. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches.